Today we will make not just a new recipe but a very quick paneer recipe. This is so creamy, smooth and absolutely delicious. You'll be amazed to see how easily this can be made. For this, take a pressure cooker and add 2 sliced onions. Add 4 sliced tomatoes and 4 pieces of garlic. Here I am adding half a ginger that is finely chopped and 1 chopped green chili. Then add 10 to 12 almonds and cashews for a very rich gravy. Add 2 Kashmiri red chilies for color and 1 bay leaf. Then add 1 big cardamom and 1 small cardamom. I have taken cloves and a few black peppercorns. Let's add that too. Then add 1 tablespoon of coriander powder and some salt to your taste. To this add half a cup of water and then half a cup of milk. Finally add a tablespoon of sugar, or you can use honey too. Mix this all a few times. Now let us close the cooker and make sure to put on the weight. Keep the stove in high flame and cook it for 2 whistles. After 2 whistles, you can release the pressure manually, and when there is no pressure, carefully open the lid. You will see the tomatoes, onions and garlic are all perfectly cooked. Remove the bay leaf and let this cool down a bit. Once it is cool, transfer it to a mixture jar and blend it to a smooth consistency. If you have watched this far, will you please consider hitting the like button and subscribing to my channel. You will really help my channel grow. Next, take a pan and add some oil. Then add 1 or 2 tablespoons of ghee. By using ghee in this paneer recipe along with the masala paste will give you excellent flavors. To this add just half a teaspoon of turmeric and 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili powder for color. Mix this well in the oil and ghee. Next add paneer cubes and mix it well. Cook for a minute or 2. You will see the paneer gets coated with a reddish orange color. Next add the masala paste that we prepared. Reduce the flame to medium and gently mix everything so that the masala blends well with the ghee. Now reduce the flame to low and cover it with a lid. Let's cook this for just 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, you can switch off the flame. Make sure to check out my other recipes shown here in this video. Gently mix it, and as a final touch, let's sprinkle some dried fenugreek leaves. Then sprinkle some finely chopped coriander leaves. You can have this curry with naan, rice, puri or roti. Thanks for watching.